Hello everyone, welcome to you all. In this video we are going to learn stir blend word. S makes S sound and T makes T sound. When S and T are together, it makes st sound. Let us try to read some words that begins with ST and it makes stir sound. Stir, stir, star. Stir, stir, stop. Stir, stir, stem. Stir, stir, stick. Stir, stir, stone. Stir, stir, stop. Stir, stir, store. Stir, stir, stamp. Stir, stir, statue. Stir, stir, story. Stir, stir, steam. Stir, stir, strawberry. Stir, stir, stable. Stir, stir, stage. Stir, stir, stapler. Stir, stir, stairs. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, string. Stir, stir, stool. Stir, stir, stag. Let us practice to read some more words. Start, stay, still, step, storm, steal, stack, stain, stall, stand, stare, state. You also practice to read all these words. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel for many more such upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.